or above or wherever it is.
The water tanks.
Yes, the water tanks. Awesome guys. They did a fantastic job of it. They've all of it. Where the filler is on the side of it, and the filler, it's a bit like a hot water cylinder, I suppose, where you have that, you know, fully expecting for them to measure it up and make left here at 5:15 in the morning, because we wanted to get there at sort of, you know, a bit after 7 o'clock, so we were sitting there waiting for them to turn up somewhere for 10 days or something, you know. So,
and even
for example, we'll just take the ute out, go wherever we're going, get the groceries or whatever into the caravan tank. So that's going to be a real game changer for us, isn't it? But this is going to be a game changer where we can just drive to a tap, fill up the tank and then whatever you want to call them. That will take our grey water away, so we can take 100 litres of grey